Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to use VO2 Max. VO2 Max represents the greatest volume of oxygen your body can consume while exercising at its maximum capacity. It is a crucial metric for assessing your aerobic fitness level and overall cardiovascular health. Understanding your VO2 Max can provide valuable insights into your endurance potential and help guide your training efforts effectively. We will explore how to measure, interpret, and improve this important physiological marker. Measuring your VO2 max can be done through several methods, ranging from highly accurate laboratory assessments to more practical field tests. In a lab, you might run on a treadmill or cycle on an ergometer while wearing a mask that analyzes your inhaled and exhaled gases. This provides a precise measurement. Alternatively, field tests like the Cooper Run or Beep test offer good estimations, and many modern smartwatches also provide estimated values. Interpreting your VO2 max score involves understanding what the numbers mean for your specific profile. Scores are usually given in milliliters of oxygen per kilogram of body weight per minute. For example, a score of 45 to 55 milliliters per kilogram per minute is often considered excellent for active adults. Your score should be compared against age and gender-specific charts to accurately gauge your aerobic fitness level and identify areas for improvement. To improve your VO2 max, focus on consistent and challenging aerobic exercise. High-intensity interval training, or HIIT, is particularly effective, involving short bursts of intense effort followed by brief recovery periods. Incorporate at least 3 to 5 sessions of moderate to vigorous exercise each week, aiming to elevate your heart rate to 70 to 90% of its maximum. Consistent endurance activities, such as running or cycling for 30 minutes, will also significantly contribute to enhancing your aerobic capacity.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.